How to replace the seal bar in your USV20 Chamber Vacuum Sealer. The seal bar in the USV20 is considered a wearable part, so after a lot of use, it will become worn and need to be replaced. It can develop wrinkles or hot spots because of thin spots in the Teflon tape. We make it super easy to pop out and replace a new one. All you have to do is pull up on the seal bar and then grab your new one. You'll see the connection points on the bottom side. That's where the pins in the USV20 are going to connect to your seal bar, and all you have to do is pop it right back in place. Another helpful tip is if you're going to be doing a lot of continuous sealing and your seal bar seems to become staying warm, which will prematurely seal your bags, you can always swap out your seal bar during a long continuous vacuum cycle of many bags and replace it with a cool one. Run several bags, swap it out again with a cool one, and you'll be good to go.